4 of the cracked glass candle holders from the Dollar Tree, 1 LED light, a lamp shade, E6000, scissors, glue gun and glue sticks, and some kind of bowl or bottom for the vase. You can use one of the mirrored Dollar Tree round candle holders or the octagon or square shape. Anything you like just for the base. Let's go to work. You're going to use your E6000 and your glue gun to glue the candle holders together like this and like this. Once you've glued them together, then you want to take them and stack them with the opening facing each other, so it'll look like this. And I've already put one together because it takes the glue in the E6000 several hours to adhere to each other. And this is what you should have once you've glued them all together. I cut the diamond wrap to fit around each section, 4 strips. Here, 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 and around the base once you attach that. Lamp. Place your push light right there on top. Push it on. Can't really see how it's lighting up. This video really doesn't show how the lighting off, but it reflects pretty good. This lamp is just so glamorous and simple. You can also insert fairy lights into the top of it if you like, or put fairy lights into the shade, however you like. But this is such an easy DIY and it is so beautiful. Well, that concludes this DIY. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Peace be upon you, and bye.